What's up guys, Intellitech Studios here. Now I just did the review on the Shark Stratos and I just randomly had this Bissell sitting downstairs. So before I took it upstairs I figured I would see what the Stratos left behind from using it as my only vacuum for the past week. So I would have used a bagged Bissell, but well, this is just what I happen to have downstairs. So filtration of course is bad. Hi Rubes. But it's that sort of thing. So we're going to go ahead and use this and see how well this works. So say, you better not be asking me to go outside. I just started filming. Okay, just scratching yourself. Okay, so let's see what this does. You okay? that smell is. There's some sort of really strong metallic burning smell coming from this. Maybe it's the belt? Might be slipping a little bit. Oh, that's very hot. I wonder if it's coming from this. This is really warm right here. I'm not sure why that is. Well, anyways, I'm not sure where that smell is coming from. It doesn't smell like it's coming from the motor, so maybe it's the belt. I did have this on the low setting, but it really should be on the higher settings. This brush roll I think is just a bit worn, so you know, got to put it down to compensate, but of course that wears out the belt. But I can just tell just from feeling the carpet that carpet feels better compared to the Stratos, which is sad. So again, I don't want to breathe this dust in, but let's just see what it got. Okay. It's kind of dark in this room right now. I don't feel like turning on the lights. Just forgive me, it's not going to be the easiest to see. But there is some junk in there. There's a lot of fine dust in this corner. And you can see like all that gritty sand. That sand and all that stuff that the shark did not get. So, sharks are obviously not for deep cleaning. These are much better. They filter horribly, but at least they clean. Again, I need to change that or try to wash it or something. Probably just change it. I'll probably try to wash it. But if I do sell this, I don't have any spares of these, so whoever buys this, you might want to change that. This I'm going to make sure is clean. Like I said, I already cleaned the inside of this like a couple years ago. Or whenever, I think it was a couple years ago. I think I got this 2 years ago, but I could be wrong. So, yeah, that's that. Of course, that little filter in there is fine. So, hey, say what you will about these junky Bissells, but they do work. May not filter worth a shit, but it works. So, yeah. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell this. I kind of need the space. I'm running out of space. That's a lie. I'm out of space. I have too many vacuums. So, gotta cut some corners. Somewhere, at least. But, yeah. So that's the Bissell PowerForce bagless 6583-F. Vacuuming after the Stratos. I don't know what that sound was. Probably the kittens being messing around in the kitchen. So anyways, this is Intellitech Studios signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a good one. And if you do want this, let me know, and I'll probably list it for sale. But yeah, I am selling the CleanView 2. I'm selling all my bagless PowerForces. I might keep the blue LightPath one, but... Or maybe I'll keep this one. I don't know. I'll keep one of them probably, but the rest of them are getting sold. So, both my 6594-Ws, and the CleanView 2, and possibly this. So yeah, that's that. Intellitech Studios signing out.